Thank you so much for staying with us. A trending hairstyle that's growing in popularity and one hair salon that specializes in the craft. That's the focus for this Sunday's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
At just 21 years old, Shae Chanel Stewart, the owner of Styled by Shae's salon, quickly rose to become the stylist of choice by some popular artists. She specializes in faux locks, a protective style that starts with forming curly hair into braids, which are then wrapped with synthetic hair to create the appearance of locks. It's a style she became fascinated with when she was in high school.
So it was trending like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and I would watch a lot of YouTube. YouTube is where I would get all of my inspiration. And because I was in school, you know, you can't do certain styles in school. So I only had weekends to do my little expression, which is doing the hairstyles that I would like. And then I saw, I think it was a holiday like summer, and faux locks was trending. So I went on YouTube and I just tried it on myself randomly.
After getting repeated requests from persons to style their hair, Ms. Stewart turned it into her first business and a way to help finance herself through university. Requiring little startup capital and with the support of family, she started operating from home in Kingston. Her own space, small but comfortable. But during her earlier days, she was worried about the competition.
I was scoping them out. I was really looking and trying to mimic what they were doing. I really wasn't trying to be the original in the beginning because I didn't believe in myself. But as time went by, I tried to do things using my creativity, creating different techniques that I think would look good, instead of trying to mimic other people's technique.
Recognizing the need to stand apart from the rest, she invented her own type of locks, which she named textured locks. And despite the pandemic, Styled by Shae never saw a decline in clients.
I can say that every year it has increased. That's one aspect of the business that we want to hone in on, the financial aspect, and tighten up in that area so that we can see proper financial gain, and we can see the proper profit that we have made over the years.
Although Styled by Shae operates on a small basis, there are plans to expand by employing and training more persons in the technique to serve more clients. But the ultimate vision of Styled by Shae is
to have a whole plaza or even a whole section where persons can come and they can get different services. So a nail section, a section for spa, waxing, hair, barbershop, even a little restaurant. Like, it's a whole experience. It's not just, oh, I'm gonna do my hair. You're coming here and you are experiencing something that you have never experienced before. And when you experience it, you're gonna want to experience it again.
with the Business Review. I'm Cody Barrett.